Hello guys, welcome to our English grammar session. We will study the basic concepts in English grammar. Today's topic is phrases and clauses. Now let's read the definition of phrases and clauses. Here are the right and the basic definition. What is phrases and what is clauses? Phrases in a sentence are the groups of words that does not make a complete. That means a phrase cannot make a complete sense, but it is a group of words. But what is clause? Okay, a clause is also a group of words which always has a subject and a verb, and it makes a complete sense. Okay, and it makes a complete sense. For example, we have written here some example of phrases. In the morning. In the morning, this is a phrases. Now I am going to write some sentence where using these phrases we can write we we were playing in the morning. We were playing in the morning. Now let us look at this sentence. We were playing in the morning. In the morning, this is a group of words. In the morning, ये ऐसा कोई complete sense express नहीं कर रहा है. This does not make a complete sense. This is a phrase. But we were playing. From here, we were playing this. This makes a complete sense. We were playing. If you tell somebody we were playing, that he will understand something. We were playing. Complete sense है. यहाँ से यहाँ तक complete sense है. तो इसको हम क्या कह सकता हूँ? This is clause. यहाँ से this is a sentence which contain a phrase in the morning. The phrase is in the morning, and which contains a clause. The clause is we were playing. Next, in front of. ये क्या है? ये phrase क्या है? In front of. So there is a flower garden in front of our school. So that is a sentence. My best friend. He is my best friend. He is my best friend. इसको यूज करके एक सेंटेंस बनाइए. He is my best friend. यहाँ पे देखिए, my best friend. This is a phrase. My best friend. This is a phrase. So my best friend, this is a phrase because my best friend does not make a complete sense. But using he is, when we write he is my best friend, this is a complete sense. Okay. So he is my best friend. Phrase है. तो ये एक एग्जाम्पल है जहाँ पर ये फ्रेज को मैंने एग्जाम्पल बनाया. Now we will write some clause. So we will write some sentence where you have to find the phrases and clauses. Once upon time, first time, there was a king. This is a sentence. Once upon a time. यहाँ पे notice कीजिए. Once upon. This does not have a complete meaning, complete sense. So this is a phrase. And there was a king. There was a king. There was a king. This has a complete sense. This is a group of words which have a complete sense. There is a king. This is a clause. तो ये भी एक ऐसा सेंटेंस है जहां पर एक क्लॉज है और एक फ्रेज है, पता है। तो अभी देखिए मैंने और एक लिया था माय बेस्ट, तो अभी क्लॉज लिखने जा रहा हूं। मैं आपको एक बताऊं, क्या बताऊं, मैं आपको ऐसा एक सेंटेंस का एग्जांपल दूंगा जिसे आप बहुत ध्यान से देखना पड़ेगा। आप ध्यान दीजिए इसको देखें। दिस इज दिस इज ए बॉय। तो इज क्या है, ऑक्सिलियरी वर्ब है, ऑक्सिलियरी वर्ब। एंड this is the subject here, okay? And is the auxiliary verb, auxiliary verb. So this is a clause, and another clause we are going to write. We are we are playing. We are playing. Yes, and this is the main verb. Main verb. ये auxiliary verb. Auxiliary. Auxiliary. ये okay. यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है इस सेंटेंस में। So this is a sentence. We are playing, and we are playing. This is a clause also. This is a clause. It's a group of words that have a complement meaning. This is a clause. Subject है, verb है, तो ये clause है। तो a clause can be a sentence. A clause can be a sentence, but a phrase cannot be a sentence. You have to note that. So a clause is a single sentence. A sentence can contain so many clauses, and a sentence can contain clause as well as a phrase also. Now, determine the phrase, determine the phrase, determine the phrase and clause. यहाँ पे मैंने क्वेश्चन दिया है आपको, देखिए ये क्वेश्चन है, डिटरमाइन द फ्रेजेस एंड क्लॉज। तो यहाँ पे मैंने 1 2 3 दिस आर 3 sentences, so you have to find a phrase and clause in this sentence. You have to find the phrase, you have to find the clause also. तो boy, तो phrase and clause, मैं पेन का कलर चेंज कर रहा हूँ, अभी देखिए। the boy is playing, the boy is playing, ये एक clause है, right? तो एंड इन द मॉर्निंग, क्रिकेट को छोड़ दो, उसके बाद क्या है, इन द मॉर्निंग। तो दिस इज फ्रेज, PHRAS, ए फ्रेज, एंड द बॉय इज प्लेइंग, दिस इज ए CLUSE clause. They are playing, this is a clause, this is clause, and this is a sentence also, right? Single clause, single sentence. And once upon a time there was a king, मैंने ये लिख भी दिया है वहाँ पे इस सेंटेंस में दोबारा से देखिए यहाँ पे। तो आपको अभी क्या है ना, यू कैन फाइंड फ्रेज, you can find clause in a sentence. I hope that this video is helpful for you in your future. This is our first class. ये हमारा लेक्चर नंबर 1 था, ये हमारा लेक्चर नंबर 1 था। लेक्चर नंबर 1 में हमने फ्रेज और क्लॉज हमने पढ़ लिया है। तो इन लेक्चर नंबर 2 we are going to study what is subject and what is. So you will learn in the next class that in a sentence how you can find a subject and how you can find an object. Okay. If you does not if you does not know the meaning of the sentence, but uh, otherwise you can find the object and subject. But finding object and subject, this is very important in voice sense. This is very important in another grammatical problem. So you must have to know, you must have that you must have to know the techniques how to find the object and subject. So I hope you will watch my next video. So for getting my video, you have to subscribe this channel, and if you want to help me, then you can share this video, you can like this video. First you can like, you can comment below, and you can ask question in the comment. Okay, thank you.